हेलो बच्चों, देखो कितने सारे कलर है। इस कलर को लेके आज ए फॉर एप्पल, बी फॉर बॉल, सी फॉर कैट एंड जेड फॉर जेब्रा सीखेंगे। पहले कलर को सीख लेते हैं। ये है ब्लैक कलर, ब्राउन कलर, येलो कलर, रेड कलर, ब्लू कलर, स्काई ब्लू कलर, पिंक कलर, वायलेट कलर, ग्रीन कलर, पीच कलर एंड लाइट ग्रीन कलर। तो चलो वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। देखो कितने सारे कलर है फिर से। तो चलो A for apple, A for ant, A for apple, A for ant. B for ball, B for balloon, B for ball, B for balloon. C for cat, C for cow, C for cat, C for cow. D for dog, D for deer, D for dog, D for deer. E for elephant, E for eye, E for elephant, E for eye. F for fish, F for frog, F for fish, F for frog. G for goat, G for grass, G for goat, G for grass. H for horse, H for hat, H for horse, H for hat. I for ice cream, I for ink, I for ice cream, I for ink. J for jackal, J for joker, J for jackal, J for joker. K for kite, K for kangaroo, K for kite, K for kangaroo. L for lion, L for lotus, L for lion, L for lotus. M for monkey, M for mango, M for monkey, M for mango. N for nest, N for net, N for nest, N for net. O for owl, O for onion, O for owl, O for onion. P for peacock, P for penguin, P for peacock, P for penguin. Q for queen, Q for quail, Q for queen, Q for quail. R for rose, R for rabbit, R for rose, R for rabbit. S for sunflower, S for sky, S for sunflower, S for sky. T for tiger, T for turtle, T for tiger, T for turtle. U for umbrella, U for uncle, U for umbrella, U for uncle. V for violin, V for vegetables, V for violin, V for vegetables. W for watch, W for water, W for watch, W for water. X for xylophone, X for x-ray, X for xylophone, X for x-ray. Y for yak, Y for yoga, Y for yak, Y for yoga. Z for zebra, Z for zoo, Z for zebra, Z for zoo. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z। बाय बाय किड्स, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में।